Hi everyone, here we've got DOOGEE S88 Pro, and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So firstly we have to enter the settings, and now let's tap on the display. Here we've got the wallpaper option, so simply tap on it, and here we've got some albums from which we can choose the wallpaper from. So we can choose it from the Google Photos and regular wallpapers which are defaultly installed on this device. So I will pick something from the wallpapers, and as you can see here we've got some pre-installed ones. Here we can tap on my photos and then we will be transferred to our own gallery. But let me pick something from those options, and let me pick for example this one. As you can see, all you have to do in order to check the preview is to tap on the wallpaper. So if you are happy with your choice, just tap on set wallpaper right here, and right now you can decide where you want to set it. So you can set it as a home screen, lock screen, or both, and I will pick both, so just tap on the option like to use. Now we can go back, and as you can see it was immediately applied to the home screen. Let's check the lock screen also, and it is visible on the lock screen. So actually that's all. This is how to change the wallpaper in your DOOGEE S88 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.